So, hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Raymond Rocker, and today we are going to play Class Squad Only AR Ammo Challenge. So, let's get started with a small intro. Welcome back, guys. As you know, we are going to play Class Squad Only AR Ammo Challenge. So, let's start in 3, 2, 1. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and today's like aim is 50 likes. Subscribe the channel if you like the videos in my channel. If you have any game in your mind, please comment it down below the comment section. It's free. So tell me your mind blowing things which I can play, mind blowing games which I can play and show you all. So let's start a match. So let's wait. I'm not gonna take any gun in this match because we're doing only AR ammo challenge, no? Only AR ammo guns. Feast is only the power of me now. So let's rush. Oh my god! Where's the enemy?
First blood.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a lot of damage. It's a lot of damage, guys. It's a lot of damage. I'm gonna rush from here. Kill everyone. What the hell? One more, please, guys. Wow. I need double kill. Wow, guys, double kill. Headshot feast. If you like my headshots, hashtag headshot in the comment section down below. So let's take Scar and of course a glue wall. They are not the things of guns, you know. You can take any other thing except shotguns, SMG ammo guns and that guns. Everything is able to take. Not guns. Oh my god, it's knock.
First blood.
What the hell? Oh my god, oh my god. No. Please, shallow. Oh my god. I'm in the wrong place. Let's run back. Because he have the shotgun of Tom. He had the short range, that's Thompson. And I have the long range and that's... Oh my god. No looting, guys. Looting is danger. Only mode 2, guys. I can kill them.
Double kill.
Guys, shit, guys. This famous bro is dangerous. Now it's time to go. Let's take M4A1 and let's get top of this building. I think I can take one of this. So let's try to take the victory. And I want to really take the long short range guns, but I can't. So let's go. So I'm playing long range with M4A1. Got them, got them, got them, got them, got them. Why are they pointing out me? Come at this corner. Run.
First blood.
Oops. Knock. Alak. Guys, it's a lot of damage. Come at this corner, come at this corner, come at this corner. Come at the corner, come at the corner. I don't have anything to heal me up. Only this DJ Alok. But its ability is being over. Run, 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 run. I'm also gonna die.
Double kill.
This is the hell. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. Oh. This must be good thing for me now. Let's take a woodpeck. Woodpeck, my hope is on you. Bring me a victory. Let's play like noob. I think I'm gonna work. First, I'll directly scope in from here only. What the hell? No, 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 no. Knock.
First blood.
Guys. Bro, you can do it, bro. You can do it, do it. Shit, guys. Damn, man. Let's take woodpeck again. Woodpeck is a cool gun. Let's take this one. This is important. Oh, man. Fine. If I knock also, I can automatically revive me. And then do camping. Because rush is dangerous for me. I'm going to lap the side. Knock. I know 1 minute.
First blood.
Videos. Only last one.
Triple kill.
Oh god. Finally we got a victory, guys. Good job, bro. LC, bro. Good job. I don't have money to take I wanna take Scar, but I can't now. I only have the chance to take a woodpeck, but I already have it. Let's take one of this. No.
First blood.
One is inside of that house, guys. Knock. That one bro is auto reviving him. Guys, we did it. Guys, it's a good thing. I'm giving my friend auto revive one. Because they do need that now. I'm gonna buy Scar too. For a handle of me. And mushrooms for my friend. Let's repair ours. Someone take this, no? Anyone's not. Okay, leave it. Let's play our match. Not like that, bro. What are the messages? Irritating. Oops, my jump button. My jump button lags every time. When I am playing Free Fire, my jump button lags seriously. Wow, what a nice headshot. Guys. What? Got the damage of these many bullets? Still? No. Finally I got my kill. Booyah! Yes guys, we got a booyah! In a challenge, yes guys, we did a challenge successfully and see who is the top MVP. But we got the booyah now. So let's see who's the top MVP. Think. Guys, there's difference of 2 kills. But no problem guys, we got the booyah on a challenge. AR ammo guns challenge. So this is for today's video guys. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.